culture. How to give pranam, how to give respect to sadhu guru. Yeah, understand? Indian Vedic culture, 90% people they know because they are birth of their sanskar. Sanskar means impressions. They know how to give respect to sadhu. But Western culture, they have no respect. Even they never to give pranam their parents. How to give the pranam to sadhu and guru. Yeah? Understand? So in this way, in our spiritual life, this should be this way. Yeah. But people they cannot understand. Some they envy us, some they criticize. Then offense coming. This is the process. Yeah.
So Maharaj, you thought that you have to give up duplicity. Because Bada Jiva is its nature should be duplicitous. So
No, Buddha Jiva said, when you come in Krishna consciousness, you have to listen Hari Katha. Then you do this way. Guru is saying to give up the duplicity hypocrisy. Buddha Jiva it is not all Buddha Jiva is the duplicity hypocrisy. Some they are very simple. Innocent, simple and innocent. They don't know what to do, not to do. Duplicity hypocrisy means he knows, but he does not follow. That is called duplicity hypocrisy. And one he does not know, not doing this another thing.
yes.
This is done. Putana, Krishna first killed Putana. Putana is the personification of duplicity and hypocrisy. This is the thing.
Putana gatna, kaita bashada.
Putana means Putna. Put means pure. No means not. And who is not pure, that is impure. That is called Putana. Who is not perfect and showing perfect. This is the thing. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada also explained this way. Sometimes people they are showing their activities high class devotee, actually not. This. But Maya is very powerful. You cannot to cheat the Maya. Understand? You can cheat to others people, but you cannot cheat Maya, you cannot cheat to Guru and Krishna. This is the process.
But Maharaj, on that regard, that some people might externally appear good devotee, Scripture says that the symptoms of Sadguru, and that we should observe those symptoms so we can know who is Sadguru. But also, Scripture says that Bada Jiva has the four types of fault. So how to reconcile to recognize a Sadguru if Bada Jiva doesn't have any quality to recognize a Sadguru?
Absolutely right. Only the knowledge of the scripture, Shastra Gyan, you can understand he is Sadguru or not. As like Gaur Kusadas was Mahabharata. You cannot apply all the Shastra about him. Mahabharata, you can see this thing. Sadguru means when the topmost Sadguru, that is called Uttam Mahabharata. Because Shastra is saying this is the symptom of Sadguru. But who will know about Sadguru? Tasmat Gurum Pravadde Jiggasu Siruktavam Sabde Varicha Nisnatam Brahmanu Prasamasya. Here in this verse explain Sadguru's three symptoms. First, he has vast of knowledge of the scriptures. Second, he completely detached from the material sense gratification. Third, he has a realization about Lord. Maybe 2 symptoms you can see, but 3rd symptom you cannot see. He has realization or not, how do you know? When your realization will come, that time you can realize. Otherwise, no. But sometimes also who is Mahabhagavat, he does not follow all the rules. As like Nityananda Prabhu. Gaurakrishna Das Baji Nityananda Prabhu very far. Gaurakrishna Das Baji Maharaj, in the day of Ekadashi, and he is asking Madhukari. 3 days, 4 days, he is taking his full fast. Somebody asked Maharaj, take prasad, well today is Ekadashi. Next day, today Ekadashi. Every day Ekadashi. And in the day of Ekadashi, he is eating. So the Uttam Mahabhagavat, you cannot understand. And that time, according to level, you will think, oh, he is a madman. Yeah? You can understand, he is a madman. Yeah, listen. Madhurya Kadamini Grantha Sila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain this way. One who attains the bhava and prema dosha, that time all his symptoms very difficult to understand. This is but now Kali Yuga, many persons also acting as like a Mahabhagavad.
Yes, Maharaj.
That is another question also coming.
Yes.
Yeah. So people also, what is called, dual judgment coming. Now your question will come, so why? Because according your Sukriti, you will get association that types of sadhana. Bhakti Svu Bhadbhakta Sangana Parjayate Satsanga Prapate Punghi Sukriti Purva Sanchitai. When your Sukriti matured and accumulated, then you will get the association of Sadhu Guru. This is not your fault. I am not saying your fault. But he says what your lack of Sukriti. If you are very fortunate, then you will get association high class, exalted Sadhu Guru. What will do? Pray to Krishna. Pray to Krishna, hey Krishna, and show me the high class Guru and Sadhu and I associated. This is the process. What will do? Not in your hand. Pray to Krishna. Chintamani Prakada Sadma Kalpa Vriksham. This way, pray to Krishna. Hey Krishna, show me your transcendental land, transcendental everything. So in our Guru mantras, this is Prachodayat. Prachodayat means that Guru who worships Srimati Radhika and gives pleasure. That Guru manifests in my heart. Guru mantra, Guru Gayatri is this way. Why chanting Guru Gayatri? You are praying. Hey Gurudev, you manifest your transcendental constitutional form. Then how you serve your Ishtadevi, Srimati Radhika. When you niskapat, without duplicity, and do this, that time Krishna, who is called the super soul Chaitya Guru, he will manifest in your heart. Then you realize this thing. You chant holy names, do bhajan and sadhana, do you understand? And serve Guru and Vaishnava.
So it might be that I have some Sukriti and Sadguru comes in front of me.
Yes.
But how will I know? Will him show himself as Sadguru in my heart?
When you do bhajan and sadhana, automatically Chaitya Guru Vapusha, Chaitya Guru, he will be inspired in your heart. When you completely surrender to Krishna, then Krishna will be Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tang Jeno Mam Upajanti Te. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, I will give Buddhi Yoga. How will you attend to me? This is my responsibility. Krishna is saying this is my responsibility. Yesterday I told Gita, how is Gita? Our essence of spiritual life. Basement of our spiritual life. Without reading Gita, without understand, without the bhajan, you can understand. Gita is very essential. Gita is the perfect evidence in our spiritual life. Okay. So in our Gaudiya, either if one new five devotee first read Bhagavad Gita. Yesterday I told in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita about the 5 types of knowledge. Once Gurudev also told. Just to 25 slokas if you know, that is the all, you know all Gitas, not many slokas.
Which is Lok's, man?
Which is sloka.
After you tell me, Maharaj. That's all.
1860,
Yesterday I told.
1864, 65.
ज्ञान विशेष ज्ञान गुज्जतम गुज्जतर सर्वगुज्जते गुज्जतम सर्वगुज्जतम ज्ञान Srimad Bhagavad Gita discourse this is the process and about Guru Tattva, everything in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So yesterday Sarva Dharman Pritajya Mamekam Sharanam Aham Tam Sarvabhivo Mokshami. Okay. There are many kinds of ignorance in the heart. Ignorance is the percentage of darkness. How will you destroy all kinds of darkness, unearths? Darkness means unearths, unwanted things in our heart. Sarubham, Hidaya Durballa, Asatrishna or Aparad. This is called the darkness. Sarubham, illusion of our Sarupa. This Sarupa also different kind. Krishna Sarup, Sasarupe, Maya Sarupe, Tatta Bribham Sarupe. This type of Sarup. What is own Sarup? What is your own spiritual form? What is the spiritual form of Krishna? What is the absolutely truth? This is the thing. Slowly understand. Do bhajan and sadhana. But mainly you have to follow the sadhus, also external good behavior. Understand? Because sadhu, guru means his what? Guru, he manifests his own good behavior in front of his followers. Then everybody can follow. अपनी आचरी जीवरे शिखान अपनी ना कोई धर्म सिखाना ना अपनी आचरण you have to present your own good behavior, then others can follow. That means you have to chant holy names, then everybody chant holy names. This is the process. Understand?
I'm trying.
Yeah, try understand.
I'm pagal.
Huh?
Pagal.
Pagal.
Pagali.
You have to become pagal. Pagal in hoya gai baja radha. When you become mad, always radhe radhe radhe. Not so easy to become pagal.
Other kind of pagal.
Other kind of pagal. Pagal pagal bolchi bole hocche kaje na baul baul bolche bole hocche baul kai jana. Baul means mad. Yeah, Bhaktivinoda Thakur said many persons go, I am mad. Not so easy to become mad. Mad for material things. Yes. Mad for wife, mad for children, mad for wealth, mad for money, even mad for La Puja, Pratishtha, Naam and Fame.
Yes.
But who will be mad for Krishna? These are
You.
Hey, you call him Pagal.
You say, first you have to complete surrender. Could you talk about this a little bit? It's a decision or is something that you try to obtain?
surrender to Gurudev. First surrender to Gurudev. What is that? Simple surrender. I am yours. I am yours. What is your pet dog? This is that. And what you are saying, I have to follow. I have to follow your instruction. But very difficult to understand Guru's instruction. Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj told, my yes or no, this is very difficult to understand. Huh? Do you understand this thing?
Yeah.
So, doing servicing, bhajan and sadhan, chanting holy name, then understand.
So it's a decision, kind of, Maharaj. Kind
Huh?
of. It's a decision. Because sometimes we want but it's so difficult to,
Don't really want.
because the mind, the behavior, previous behavior, the culture, all this stuff.
This comes sorry. Krishna will arrange. Krishna will arrange everything for you. Pray, so this is our, you pray to Krishna, then Krishna will arrange. Because who is origin Guru?
Krishna.
Krishna Vande Jagat Guru. Krishna he will arrange. This is that. So pray to Krishna. I am completely blind. I don't know which is this. Hey Gurudev, I am blind. You show to me. I cannot see to you. Understand? Ajnana timirandrasya jnananjana salakaya chakshurmritam jena tasmai shri gurave namah. Ajnana means ajnanam timirandrasya. I am completely full of ignorance. Timirandrasya. I completely put in this darkness. Timir means darkness. Jnananjana salakaya. You give
Knowledge.
the knowledge in my eyes. That means I have no power of eyes. So I cannot see who is Guru, who is Sadhu, who is Bhagavan. Understand? So Jnananjana Salakaya, you give the
Knowledge.
the anjan means, what is it called?
Again.
One kind of ointment putting on the eyes, then eyes,
Lens.
Balm.
Balm.
then eyesight will become perfect way. So the knowledge means Jnana.
Yeah.
Will come. Here the Jnana means is what? Transcendental knowledge. Tattva Jnana will come. Tatpadartha Jnana and Tampadartha Jnana. Tatpadartha is knowledge of Lord and knowledge of soul. These two types of knowledge will come. Who is Bhagavan? Because you will confuse in the Shastra. Because some they are saying Brahma is Bhagavan, Brahma is all in all. Impartialists they are saying Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi Brahma. Or another yogi they are saying which topmost Paramatma, super soul. A devotee they are saying Bhagavan. So you can confuse which way you will go. Brahma, Paramatma, Bhagavan. Understand? When you don't know where you will go, when the one or the circle coming. Then when you drive the car, when circle coming. You go with the many arrows are this way, there are many roads. So which way you will go? Only you are also are.
Spin.
Spinning in there. If anybody will come and say, no, you go this arrow, this way you go. So in our Shastra is many. Go this path, this path. So something Mahajano Gatasa Pantha. You have to follow the footsteps of Mahajan. Nitam Shastram Guhaya. So in this way, follow the instruction of Sadhu and Guru. This is the process. And always say Sadhu, Guru, and listen to Hare Hare.
Hari Hari Bo.